In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a back-to-top button to your Framer project. This simple addition can vastly improve the user experience of your project by allowing easy navigation to the top of a page, particularly on long vertical scrolling designs. Let's start by opening up the Framer editor. Whether you're starting from scratch or working on an existing project, the steps remain the same. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to navigate to the Insert menu. This menu is available at the top of the screen, and for quick access, you can also press the I key on your keyboard. This will bring up a drop-down with a variety of options you can add to your project. Our next move is to select the Embed option. You'll find it under the Utilities section. Once you select it, you need to drag it over to your canvas. This may seem strange now, but an embedded element is what allows us to add external code snippets, like our back-to-top button, into our Framer project. After it's on your canvas, the embed component needs to be selected. Once it's selected, find the Properties panel. This should appear on your right side of the editor. Once there, you will have to choose the HTML option. This option will allow you to insert third-party code into your project. The next step is to find the code for a back-to-top button. There are plenty of free options available on the internet. Once you've chosen one that suits your style, copy the code. Now, go back to your Framer editor and paste the code in the HTML field of your selected embed component. The last step involves positioning the button on your project. On your Framer screen, start by clicking on the embed component you have just updated with the code. Now, navigate back to the Properties panel to find the position settings. To fix your back-to-top button to the bottom right of your screen, you need to adjust the values of the bottom and the right properties. Dragging them suitably should help you fix the button exactly where you want it. And there you have it. You've now added a back-to-top button to your Framer project. This will greatly assist your users in navigating your work, making your projects not just visually stunning, but user-friendly too.